Introduction. What are astrological transits? Definition of transits. In astrology, a transit occurs when a planet moves through the zodiac and forms an aspect, a specific angle or relationship, with a planet or point in an individual's natal chart. These movements are dynamic and reflect the ongoing changes in the universe, influencing how we experience life. Importance of transits. Transits can signal significant periods of change, growth, or challenges. They are often viewed as opportunities for transformation, offering insights into when to take action or exercise caution. Understanding transits helps individuals align their actions with the natural rhythms of the cosmos. Types of transits. Major transits. These involve outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto, and tend to influence longer-term themes in life. Minor transits involve inner planets, Mercury, Venus, and Mars, and usually have a more immediate but shorter-term impact. 2. How transits work. The mechanics of transit analysis. The birth chart as a reference point. Each person's natal chart serves as a personal map representing fixed planetary positions at the time of birth. Transits are calculated based on the movement of planets relative to these positions. Calculating transits, astrologers analyze the current positions of planets against the natal chart to determine aspects, conjunctions, squares, trines, etc., and their potential effects. Tools like ephemeris tables or astrology software can help determine transiting planets' exact positions. Example of a transit. Saturn return. One of the most significant transits is the Saturn return, which occurs approximately every 29.5 years. This transit marks the end of a cycle and often prompts major life reassessments, challenges, and responsibilities. Many experience profound changes in their careers, relationships, or personal beliefs during this period. 3. The significance of transits in forecasting events. Timing of events. Transits can help predict when certain life events may occur, whether they are personal milestones, career shifts, or challenges. For example, a Jupiter transit might indicate a time of expansion and good fortune, while a challenging Saturn aspect could suggest a period of hard work or restriction. Cycles of growth and change. Transits reflect the cyclical nature of life. Each planet has its unique cycle and rhythm, influencing different life areas. Jupiter transits typically bring growth, optimism, and opportunities for expansion. For instance, when Jupiter transits your 7th house of partnerships, it may signal a time of new relationships or deepening existing ones. Uranus transits often bring unexpected changes, innovation, and a desire for freedom. A Uranus transit through the 10th house may lead to a sudden career change or a new direction in professional aspirations. Personal transformation. Transits can reveal the timing of transformative experiences, allowing individuals to prepare for challenges or embrace opportunities. Knowing when a challenging aspect is approaching can help people take proactive measures to navigate difficulties. 4. How transits impact personal lives, emotional and practical effects. Emotional response. Transits can evoke various emotions, from excitement and optimism to anxiety and fear. For instance, a challenging Pluto transit might bring to the surface deep-seated fears or power struggles, prompting a need for personal transformation and empowerment. Personal growth and self-awareness. Awareness of transits encourages individuals to reflect on their life paths and make conscious choices aligned with their current energies. It can lead to profound insights about personal strengths, weaknesses, and desires. Navigating relationships. Transits can significantly influence personal relationships. For example, A Venus transit might enhance romantic feelings and foster connection, while a Mars transit could lead to increased assertiveness or conflict in partnerships. Understanding these dynamics can help individuals navigate relationship challenges more effectively. Career and financial implications. Transits involving the 2nd, finances, or 10th, career, houses can signal changes in job status, financial opportunities, or challenges. For example, a Jupiter transit through the 2nd house may indicate a time of increased income or financial growth, while a Saturn transit may necessitate a more disciplined approach to finances. 5. Transits and major life themes. Karmic lessons and life path. Certain transits can signify karmic lessons or pivotal moments in an individual's life journey. For instance, when Chiron, the wounded healer, transits a natal planet, it may highlight areas of healing and personal growth related to that planet's themes. Collective influence. Major transits of outer planets, such as Pluto and Neptune, can affect entire generations, shaping cultural and societal trends. For example, the transit of Pluto through Capricorn has implications for power structures and authority, influencing how society interacts with institutions and leadership. Eclipses. Eclipses are significant astrological events that can coincide with powerful transits, marking moments of closure, new beginnings, or shifts in direction. Understanding where eclipses fall in the natal chart can provide additional insight into upcoming themes and transitions. 6. Conclusion. Embracing the power of transits. Transits as tools for empowerment. By understanding and tracking astrological transits, individuals can better navigate the ebb and flow of life. They can use this knowledge to embrace opportunities, prepare for challenges, and align their actions with the rhythms of the cosmos.